So we've just come off the tram. No, we haven't. It's an underground, is it? I don't know.
Yeah.
Wait, it's alright, just keep walking. When you go, I'll get you from behind.
No, I don't want. I don't want to be got from behind.
So we've just caught the U3 and then the U2 underground from our hotel. We're aiming for a few of the sites from the film The Third Man. This is a Ferris wheel. Carol keeps asking me about, you know, where's the location, where's the location. A, I've never seen the film, and B, I've downloaded the ebook and I think I fell asleep before the first chapter's finished each time, so I've never gotten further than Harry Lime being buried, really. So, but today what we'll do is we'll go round about Vienna. We've bought a day pass because the feet are burning after yesterday, and we will try and get some sights. Yeah, well, it looks like it maybe was at some point. I don't know. Right, we've just been on a Ferris wheel. Carol's fair tickle pink with herself. It's about the speed you can handle in a... We've got some good views of Vienna. Fingers crossed some of the shots come out in the video. So now we're going to try and find a graveyard. This will be the highlight of the holiday.
Oh, that was the highlight.
That was the highlight, okay. So we're going to try and find a couple of trams now, and we'll see you at a graveyard. Right, we've made it to the central cemetery. It is absolutely lashing with rain. So we've just had a coffee and an apple strudel in the strangest place we've found. I'm not sure what it was. We thought it was just going to be a shed. We walked into it and it turned into a massive big like atrium. It was, and the two of the grumpiest waiters we've ever met. They were brilliant. So we're now in the cemetery and we're off to find plot 43A. Well, that was the central cemetery. Found all the Beethoven, Mozart, Strauss, etc. So now, where are we heading now? Cup of tea.
Cup of tea.
Get warmed up.
I don't.
What?
Well, the bottom of my jeans are soaked.
We might just go back and we'll just call it a day.
I don't know.
We had a bit of a disaster yesterday. We got absolutely soaked in the rain down at the cemetery. So we bailed, we went away back to the room, dry out, had a snooze and then went out for our supper. So we're out today looking for the follow up on the third man film locations. And behind us is Hotel Sacher. And there's a bus, unbelievable. There's Mr. Bradford Bingley. So we're out on the last day looking for the filming locations for the third man, and it turns out we were actually here on day one because that's a library behind me. That's one of the doors there behind me, or my right shoulder, and apparently this statue is where his body gets dragged. Who knows? Obviously we're going to go home and watch a film, and then we can sit and think, oh yeah, I know that bit, oh yeah, that bit. So we've got a few more bits that we're going to, a few more locations we'll go and track down. Not sure what this is about, we were queuing up to get in. Cafe Central. So I think behind me where Carl is, apparently that's some famous door that he stands in. I don't know. So I think that's the last of our sites that we're going to try and find today. But I'm not sure where we're going now. We're just having a wander around. This is our last day in Vienna, so we'll have a wander around and see what else we can find.
The branch.
Oh, yeah. I know. Looks like Mr. Bradford Bingley's got a side job.
Muscada. I used to wear one of their perfumes.